I started a joke that started the whole world crying, but I didn't see that the joke was on me. Hi, I'm Tug Morkel, and most certainly not one of the Bee Gees. For years we built our lives around the boom and bust cycles of oil and gas, the isolation, the uncertainty. We thought this was the only way. But what if it wasn't? What if the very skills that kept us thriving in oil and gas could fuel a new journey online? Why not follow a step-by-step system designed for oil and gas professionals to break free from uncertainty and build a thriving online business? What if you could say, I never thought I could do this until now? What about, I finally have control over my future, no more missing out on life? And don't let the joke be on you again. Take the step today. Visit oiltoonline.com and find your journey to online freedom and financial freedom. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Cheers.